What's up, guys? Just have some updates I want to give you for the off season. What are the plans for the cars? So starting off with the Mazda Speed 3, we don't have too much going on for it. Only big update or upgrade I'm going to do to it is install a set of Motorsport front camber plates that go on the top hats of my current coilover suspension. I have the H&R set up. Unfortunately, they don't come with any camber adjustment, and these vehicles don't have any camber adjustments from the factory. So with the addition of the camber plates, I'll be able to get up to -3 degrees camber, which will hopefully allow to increase the handling characteristics of the vehicle. Along with that, if I can get a set of Hoosier A7s to throw onto my race wheels, that would be ideal as well too. And just for a sneak peek, this box right here is a one-of-one piece from Project Motorsports that I'm going to hopefully install sometime. It's going to take a little bit of fab to get it to all mount up, but that's in the works as well too for this car. As for the Miata, this one is going to be and stay the project for quite some time. As of right now, I'm really more concerned about getting the body work, the rust areas, the frame rails, get all that sorted out first. That way I know that I'll have a solid base to work off of. There's no need to upgrade bushings, suspension components, motor mounts, if the chassis is not going to be able to support it. So once I get this thing tagged and, safely, street drivable, then I'm going to take it to my buddy who's going to be doing the body work, and hopefully it won't stay there too long. But if it stays there, stays there a few months, it is what it is. But that's the plan for the Miata. I do have this handy dandy Yanaka catback I got from a buddy at AutoX, which I'm going to throw on as well too, because the current exhaust cuts off right about here, right by the rear axle, and it is extremely loud, and there's no way it's going to pass any type of inspection like that. So that's the update for both cars. If you guys want to see videos on me installing parts on the Speed or doing work on the Miata, leave a comment, let me know, I guess, because if not, I'm just going to bust it out and just do little, Instagram stories or Snapchat stories or little shorts like that. If you want a full in-depth video on it, let me know. I'm not too good at doing the editing and video thing, but I'll try my best for my 15 viewers that I get sometimes. But other than that, that's what we got going on. Oh yeah.